It started vibrating. Okay, so before I go, I want to relay some good news. When I go to Oklahoma City, I'm going to film their sirens going off. Because Oklahoma City tests their tornado sirens every Saturday at 12. Not only do I get to film a wailing going off for the first time, but most of the wailings in Oklahoma City are like 435 hertz, somewhere around there, and they sound very creepy. They are very eerie sounding. So that's going to happen in May, so stay tuned for that.